Her name's Gracie.
Oh, her name is Gracie. Hi, baby.
Can you hear Bailey? She's like, hi, Gracie. Did she lick you, give you a kiss, Bailey?
Dogs do that.
Dogs do that? Bailey goes,
Can I please
dogs
hold her?
do that.
Isn't that horrible? Can I hold her?
Yeah, you can hold her.
Me too.
Little Wet, sit down. Sit down and put her on your lap or let her sit beside you. She's taking a nap.
It looks like Penny, but it's not like it.
Who do you think? She looks like Addie, doesn't she? We can take turns. She just ate her dinner not very long ago, so she might be full. You don't want to mess with her, she'll throw up.
She's hot.
I know she is.
I love that dog.
You do love that dog?
Yeah, I almost see her on the walk. Does Penny mess with her?
No, Penny likes her. They played a little bit.
Does she bark a lot?
She just barks once in a while. She will bark a lot though.
Hello, hello, hello,
And Crystal can see you from this way.
hello.
She's kissing the phone. That's how it's come. It looks black.
Oh, them TikToks.
Hey, chill out.
She wants to see.
Let him
Yeah,
go
Crystal
where he
wants
wants
see
to
the
go.
baby.
It's a she.
Did you like to get down?
Hey, it's a she.
What? I like him. No, it's not
Sit down.
No, just Bailey.
Just
Go
sit.
take your shoes off at the door.
She might have to go potty. We may
Go
have
on.
to go let her out.
No, at the door.
Okay.
Papa,
Mama,
Everybody will have a turn.
Can she
She started crying because she has to go